Y'all, I already have the feeling that today isn't gonna be a good day. I literally sat down in my vanity makeup chair and I broke my favorite little thing. And like, I can't find my little Hello Kitty headband I used to do my makeup, so we have to improvise. I guess I'll just remind you guys I turned 21, but this isn't like as aesthetic as Hello Kitty. Alright, hey, what is up you guys? My name is Taylor and today we are filming a video. And in today's video, I'm doing a little get ready with me, and it's gonna be super cute, like pink, like Barbie get ready with me basically, because I want to do an all pink look. I'm a material girl living in a material world. And yeah, so y'all are just gonna get ready with me and everything. I haven't filmed one of these in so long, so it feels, I hate when YouTubers say that, I haven't filmed them so long, so it feels so awkward to talk, but that's me right now. I'm ordering a new vanity though, because I don't have enough fucking room. I have too much makeup. The person who got me this vanity got me a children's vanity, and like none of my shit can fit. So I'm ordering myself a really nice real person vanity. Not that children aren't real people. Oh no, it's in the shot. There we go, now it isn't. Sorry if I look over here, that's just where my mirror is. And my camera is still fucking broken, so if I move it in the slightest, it'll turn the whole viewfinder upside down, because of course I look at the viewfinder. If I look here, it's really weird. That's scary. I think I just Kubrick stared a little bit, but I'm so sorry about that. I literally filmed a whole video and I'm so sad. It's one of my favorites and it came out like super like not best quality from the Premiere Pro file, which is really upsetting. And I did a video where I was like talking shit on men who deserve it, because fuck men. Sorry, the percentage of men that watch me. I wouldn't know a straight man who watched me.
Huh? Huh?
But apparently I do, because one man who I had a little fling with messaged me on Snapchat and he goes, I saw your latest YouTube video, and I was like, you did? And he was like, I thought it was really funny, and I was like, okay, thank God. And none of the shit was about him. He was actually pretty chill. So I was like, oh my God, what if he thinks it's about him? Because I legitimately have no bad blood with this man. The vibes were just not vibing. So I don't know. I keep watching these videos of people ranking my talking stages and people who I dated, and they do a PowerPoint and present it with, I'm like, I really want to do that so fucking badly because I think it'd be so funny. So I think I should do it. Obviously, I'm not gonna use their fucking names. I'm gonna put little emojis and stuff, and if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But like, funny things. I think I'm gonna ask my friends like, what's the best thing to put on this fucking PowerPoint too? Speaking of exes, I need to fucking shut the fuck up. So I didn't know I was still following a mutual of one of my exes on TikTok. She came up on my following and she's so like funny, and she posts so funny videos. Like, I'm still following her and I think she's still following me. And she was like, oh, I posted a YouTube video, go check it out. So I did. I watched this whole 40-minute video and I thought it was so funny and so entertaining, but I can't like the video or subscribe, because then, well, if I do, I feel like they're gonna be like, oh, she's creepy, she's stalking, she's still obsessed with you. But no, she's just fucking funny. And she's so entertaining. She was so cool. I still think she's so cool. I think she's cooler than me. But I know if I subscribe, sometimes it tells you who your recent subscribers, but I don't know if she'll know to look at that. But like, I'm too scared, but she's so iconic. And I want to like the video, but I don't know if that does anything. I can't help it that she's amazing. I'm a girl's girl. I just want to support the girlies. You know what's not giving girls? Those girls who take all of the Hello Kitty plushies. You're not a girl's girl. It is not a girl's girl move. Like, I just want one Hello Kitty Valentine's plushie. Is that too hard to ask? That's it. So I could put it on my little Hello Kitty shop. But no, they go and they fill their entire cart up so they can fucking resell it for a shit ton of money. Absolutely not. You are not a girl's girl, and none of the Hello Kitty bitches like you. Like, why can't you just like be a normal person? Just be a normal fucking person. Like, if we all just stayed in our own fucking lane, we'd be fine. But legitimately, I've walked out of thrift stores because you know when it's a reseller. And then you're like, well, there's none of the good stuff. We fucking beef. Like, I just want to find like some nice like oversized sweaters. Oh, I think I ended up doing sperm brows. No flashbacks. No flashbacks. Oh my God, I literally think I ended up doing that. It's just the front of the brows I have a problem with. Like, everything else is fine, but the fucking front? Okay, my eyebrows are cut. They're sisters, not twins. Actually, they're more like cousins, but it's okay. Usually when I'm editing, I see my eyebrows are like worse. And I'm like, I went out like that, but whatever. I'm gonna be so productive. I'm filming 2 videos today. Do I do these lashes today? I'm already trying to decide what lashes I'm doing. But these are like huge. I mean, they're kind of stunning. So maybe I am a big lash girly till I die. Sometimes I do natural lashes, but that feeling is not today. I keep thinking I should do eyelash extensions, but I hear like you are not supposed to do heavy eye makeup while you have them. I don't know, I heard that from someone on TikTok who I really trust. So I'm too scared to get it because I do heavy makeup, but I don't do heavy makeup as much as I used to. And I think if I do the big eyelashes, I won't be tempted. Taking this off, it's too, I'm now too sweaty. That scary girl on TikTok. I forget her fucking name.
𝐬𝐻𝐿
Does these little
things that I hate.
And like does her fucking skincare. Imagine like walking near her at the mall and you go to middle school with her. Oh my god, she scares me. I would not mess with her. I don't know why these middle school girls are messing with her. What the fuck? Hello. I've also been using foundation and I don't know how I feel about it. I get mixed feelings from foundation. I don't know. I used to do a full face of concealer. I know some people are gonna scream about it. Y'all, I grew up emo.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind.
Like, I always usually like my face super pale, and I don't know, I like being pale. I always have. I think this foundation, the medium coverage. I do need a full coverage foundation. People would tell me when I was younger, oh, the secret to wearing makeup is looking like you're not wearing makeup. That is not me. Bitch, if I'm taking 3 hours for my makeup, which my makeup usually does take 3 hours, they're gonna know that I'm wearing makeup. I can't pull off the clean girl aesthetic. A TikTok was like, I want a bad bitch, not like a clean girl, dirty girl aesthetic. We will eat hot Cheetos, wear big lashes. That's me. I was also getting into like old YouTubers I used to watch in that time. Like Farina when she put her little clips in, and like Des Machado.
Yeah, I'm not, but I would just say me more than you because like you're more mature than me. So that's just how
Why are you being
it
so
goes.
nice to me?
No, you.
That's what I'm doing now in like adulthood. It's so funny because I'm older than both of them and I'm putting fucking clips in my hair, but I love it. I don't think I'll get rid of it for a while because I love my little clips. I'm gonna bring back butterfly clips.
Like I influence everyone.
I don't, but I will in fact be bringing them back for me. I think I'm also running late. It's a friend who literally lives 8 minutes away, so it doesn't really bother me.
I'm a fat chicks where you at. I'm a fat chicks where you at. I'm a fat chicks where you at. Now drop that low and shake that ass.
And we are gonna fake having a small nose. Yes, I do like e-girl contour. Like, alright, so I don't want to use tape, so we're just gonna use this little gamer card. Oh, that's kind of cute. This might be too long, but I can fix it. These are 2 different ones. It's okay. I'm gonna go fix this. So we might actually use those big eyelashes today because the makeup is not makeuping currently.
Diet Pepsi.
Come here. Sorry, y'all. That's my cat. Hi. Oh, you're sneezy. Oh, you wanna go in your cat tower? She's so cute. Hi. There is no room here. Lucy, what's the drama? What is it? You still chasing that orange ball? Did you get it? Y'all trust the process. What are you eating? She's playing with a crystal that's on the floor.
No, don't eat it.
Guys, I swear I can do makeup. Like, I do. I don't know what's wrong today.
Oh my god.
I have a lot easier time with makeup if I didn't have fucking hooded eyes. I'm still beefing with my parents over giving me hooded eyes. Genetically, what the fuck? I remember as a kid, people at sleepovers would be like, oh my god, let's do our makeup. But my eyelids are so small. It eats my makeup. If I actually put makeup fully only on my eyelid, it eats it. My hoods eat it. So it's annoying because I have to learn extra steps. And I used to think I just couldn't do makeup, but it's the fact that, no, I could. I just have hooded eyes. And y'all know big lash girl is, do you know when you're doing a makeup look and you're like, I'm doing it for big lashes, so you have to accentuate everything? They're probably like, no, Taylor, no one wants to look like a clown. But I feel like I would have slayed doing my makeup yesterday. Yesterday felt like a makeup day, but I was too fucking lazy to do it. Now I have to cut the crease. Why did I pick a cut crease today? I'm gonna go cut the crease and I'll be back because I'm not cutting a crease on camera. Ow, my elbow.
A few moments later.
Whose fucking annoying ass cars outside? Don't they understand I'm filming a video? The world should revolve around me, and I don't know what else to say. Hello? Could your car suck anymore? I hate the people in my neighborhood. Most people don't even know their neighbors. I was telling my boyfriend all the tea of the neighborhood. The bitches in this neighborhood, I want to get out. I want to leave. They're crazy and they're psycho. I try to make friends in the neighborhood. Don't do it. And I don't think anyone in my neighborhood ever actually fucking leaves. Like, I think that's part of the problem. Somehow me and my friends just keep meeting the wackiest fucking people here. I love PA. Just kidding. Fuck PA. If I can get out of PA, I will. I've never been to Canada, but maybe I should move to Canada. I don't know, it'd be kind of silly. Not gonna lie. Imagine me in Canada. I don't know why I'd want to move there. I don't like being cold. Do you think I'd blend in with the Canadians? Me right now. Hello, Canadians. Like Santa Claus 3, the escape clause. Really kind of making me feel like going to Canada. Was that real Canada? No, but I don't know. They seem to have it down in the bag. Maybe they know something I don't know. So I guess I should live there and find out. I'm not moving to Wyoming. Wyoming's a fake place, so. Actually, that kind of spices up my life. I don't trust anyone who says they're from Wyoming or who went to Wyoming. No, you didn't. Government fucking spy. And I believe the Wyoming theory. I convince people sometimes when I get fucking bored that I believe different things. I remember convincing this random person that one time I told this one kid that my favorite anime was Finding Nemo and he lost his shit. Maybe people are gonna be like, Taylor, you're a fucking asshole. Sorry. Ooh, that is super fucking pink. I'm gonna look ill. I thought I'd add a little bit of more pink. That was not the move. I literally look like a child who broke into their mom's makeup. If I let the powder sit a little bit, it usually undoes my mistakes. Why did I do eye makeup? I could have just been fine. I could have just left the house, but I wanted to do my eye makeup. Eyeliner seems like not the move today. My hands are just not listening to my head. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna text my boyfriend because I really need this answer.
Okay, y'all, I got a little carried away, but here's the final look. I don't know how I feel about the ribbons in my hair, but it's kind of cute. Let me zip this out. Here's the makeup look. I was gonna add more blush, but I'm too scared. Pink lip gloss, pink eyelids. The ribbons were just from Walmart. I got these clips from Walmart also. This pink choker is from eBay, and this pink shirt is from Primark. And yes, I'm just gonna wear pajama pants. I couldn't find my Playboy bunny chain or else I would have worn it. But that's my look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for your support and good.